In collaboration with Kotoko Technical Team headed by Coach Prosper Ogumno, Coach Kwesi Appiah part of Kumasi Asante Kotoko IMC no na nkomodia ekoso no wamana hunu positions mienu at the end of the season no obehia like 2 positions uhunu say unya new players no de be fill void na ebebo Kotoko Mukwala likely so beko nti players mienu nti eba se Kwesi Appiah edi omufri Sudan ba Kotoko no I think say striker ka ho na ba akode de mintimi confirm position obo, but the news is that 2 Sudanese players Kwesi Appiah ene omakasa omo join Kotoko next season. That is exclusive information about me sure say free chineko ye be expanded this particular news na ye biem pa because baby a free ba no e kong papa. The understanding is that players mienu ena omufri Sudan ho ba wonse Kwesi Appiah nso de oye adwuma e wo Sudan a ona ye Sudanese national team coach no ono ena ye the head coach of the Sudanese national team coach nti akoba saa no was steady players na ena Kotoko technical team no nso brief no on positions a Kotoko behia ena ono nso hu players kra ho no omuye good a omba Kotoko a ebetimi aboa nti the agreement is nearly reached subjected to sikasem ebe exchange hands na players no abano eno no na aka, but the information enumerate is that Kwesi Appiah the 2 players from Sudan eba Kotoko a yembo mpa se bibia be kotote na hwe enkosesa sa hwe ansesa de a yebehu 2 Sudanese ewo Kotoko a Abraham Mukwala na mfege mu ebe free ho no echina yebe expand this particular story.